In this video, we use PowerShell to find the second Tuesday of the month. Patching Windows servers is important, but automating updates can be difficult due to patching releases on the second Tuesday of the month. Patch Tuesday falls on a different date every month. In this video, we walk through code that identifies the second Tuesday of the month and show a couple other ways it can be used. Before that, please like, subscribe, share, email a friend, and call your mom if you're able. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get notifications of new content. I saw a comment on Twitter about the dilemma of scheduling and automating around Patch Tuesday, and remembered that I'd found a way to identify the second Tuesday of the month in PowerShell on a project I worked on a while ago. I reformatted that code as a function that will return the second Tuesday of the current month. After that, I modified it so you could pass other parameters to find other day instances in a month, say the 5th Wednesday or the 2nd Monday of the month. Let's just start by taking a look at the code. Here I am in PowerShell. This is intended to be a function used as part of other automation. For example, putting a VM in maintenance mode during patching or forcing a reboot on a specific day, say the first Saturday after Patch Tuesday. I gave it the name get-patchtuesday, but you can change that to anything if you'd like. I've got some descriptions and an overview and some of the outputs. Let's go down to the actual execution. I have two parameters here. Weekday, this is the day of the week that we're looking for. So Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. And then find nth day. That's the instance of that weekday. This will find the occurrence specified in find nth day of the weekday specified. The default value, for example, is the second Tuesday. No parameters need to be passed to find Patch Tuesday or the second Tuesday of the month. The logic of this function is not limited to the second Tuesday. You could specify the third Sunday or the 5th Wednesday. For that, you can pass those parameters in. After parameters, there's code that gets the current date. It pulls out the month and the year and finds the start of that month. After that, it goes through each day starting with the first to find the first occurrence of the day specified in the weekday parameter. That gets assigned to the first weekday variable. Next, it does a calculation to find the number of days to offset based on the instance that we've returned. Once it finds the number of days to offset, it will add that to the first weekday. That will return Patch Tuesday or the second Tuesday of the month. Unless you pass parameters through, then it's going to be whatever day you specify. When I wrote this originally, it was only for Patch Tuesday. So it is a little misleading that I'm calling it Patch Tuesday, but it could actually be like the third Wednesday. You can change that if you'd like. Next, I'm going to select this function. And I'll hit F8 to run the code. That's just going to add it to memory. Although it's in a script file, it's actually a function. Nothing calls it within the script, so it won't return anything. So I'm just running it more interactively this way. So let me clear the screen. If I run the function without any parameters, there it is. It says Patch Tuesday for September of 2020 is September 8th. September 8th, which happens to be today, is the second Tuesday of the month. I've got some other examples up here I'm going to run through. Let's copy this next example. We'll just paste it in here to run. So what we're doing is getting today's date, and then we're just looking at the day of the week. So that would be the 8th. And then we're testing it to see if the day we return from get-patchtuesday is the same day. And that returned true because today is the 8th Patch Tuesday. The next line of code, we're going to get Patch Tuesday, and we'll add 5 days. So that just took Patch Tuesday, which is today, and added 5 days. This would be helpful, say if you want to set a schedule to reboot a server 5 days after Patch Tuesday. That happens to be on a Sunday. So with this type of logic, you could have servers reboot on a specific weekend evening. For the next example, we're going to use the same get-patchtuesday, but this time we're not looking actually for a Tuesday. we're looking for the weekday of Wednesday, and we're going to find the third occurrence of that. So the third Wednesday in September 2020 is on the 16th, and that is correct. I'm using an advanced function with this, so we don't even need to put in the parameters. We can use positional parameters. There it is. The fourth Friday in September is September 25th. One thing to watch out for is we can run that and add the fifth Friday in September, which is going to be actually October 2nd. So that's actually the first Friday in October. That's something to be aware of, and if it's going to be a problem, you may need to add some additional validation in to make sure that this doesn't happen. This is a good starting point for any automation that takes place around Patch Tuesday. It allows you to identify what day of the month Patch Tuesday falls on, and then you can build out schedules from there. I hope you found this code that finds a specific day of the month helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.